Hey, thank you for being a valuable member of our bitsCrunch community. So let's start. As you might be following bitsCrunch closely, we have rolled out a new feature, a new role for the contributors, the IP violation. The digital asset space is currently exploding with creativity. But unfortunately, so are the IP violations. Unauthorized use of copyrighted materials, logos or trademarks, etc., is rampant and harming the creators and brands. So at bitsCrunch, we have built an AI model that monitors each and every mint that gets minted across different marketplaces and 5 different blockchains. So we need your help. Join our community and use your expertise to validate the potential IP infringements. Every contribution makes a difference. Without further ado, let's take an example of how to validate the infringements. So I have just navigated to my DevNet and connecting my wallet. And as you might be seeing in the Participants, the Contributing tab, and in the Reviews tab, you will be assigning the reviews on a daily basis. So for the sake of simplicity, and for making you clear about how this process of validating and reviewing the IP proposal works, let me take an example. For this particular example, this particular IP proposal is based on the character. On the left, you see it's from the collection called Sappy Seal Yachts Club, and its token ID is number 2571. The contact address is this, and the Ethereum chain, and the minting date is this. And if you are an ardent follower of the NFT collections, you might easily identify that this particular NFT that is minted is an exact replica of another famous collection called Sappy Seals. Basically, this is a copycat or counterfeit version of the original Sappy Seals collection from the OpenSea. So let's take a quick look at it by verifying. As you have seen, this particular Sappy Seals collection has been violated, and they have taken this as a character and have used it in an under-collection with the same name by adding Yacht Club. So potentially, this is a violation. And on the right, you have similar images. Based on the original, the minted NFT image, you can select which character, the particular NFT, that violates this. In the examples, similar images given on the right side, you could see that this is closely matching since this is a Sappy Seals collection. So probably we can select this and submit it as simple as that, and your review will be submitted successfully. We'll take another example for brand. This is in the redacted Remilio Babies collection. And you can see that the golden arch logo of McDonald's has been violated here. And on the right, you can select the logos or the brands that have that particular NFT minted by Legs. In this particular example, we see that McDonald's logo has been used. So we can select that, and we can simply submit it. And there you go. The review is submitted successfully. So that's how you help us navigate the complexities of reducing the false positives in the IP violation. Looking forward for your submissions, and yeah, let's make a transparent ecosystem together.